Hi guys, this is Hi Foodie Girl. Today I am going to show you how to make tasty South Indian mutton biryani. Salt 1 tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon. Mix it and let it cook well for 15 minutes. Many of you were asking me to make biryani, so this video is for all the biryani lovers. It's very easy to make and who wouldn't love a tasty biryani? Channel oil 150 ml. Medium size 3 chopped onions. Few cinnamon. 3 cardamom. 5 cloves. Mix well until the onion becomes brown. One handful of coriander, 1 handful of mint, ginger garlic paste 150 gram. Kashmiri chili powder 1 tablespoon, 2 green chilies, curd 150 ml, salt 1 tablespoon, 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, now add the cooked mutton, you need to add 8 cups of water for 4 cups of rice. Now you need to add 4 cups of India Gate extra long grain basmati rice. You can add more salt. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt here. You need to set your stove to medium heat. That's it guys, tasty South Indian mutton biryani is ready. I'm sure you guys are hungry already by looking at it. Try making it and let me know your comments below.